Welcome to our channel. Here is a place for providing healthy and quick recipes around the world for you. Let's dive into today's recipe.
Welcome, food enthusiasts. We're excited to introduce you to AFMP, your go-to social channel for an array of healthy recipes inspired by famous cuisines from around the world.
I'm sure you've heard the news. Kibbe is a culinary superstar. Let's dive in. Start with 2 cups of fine bulgur wheat. Soak it in water for 30 minutes until it's soft. Some toast. Next, grab a pound of ground beef or lamb and mix it with the bulgur. Now it's time to bring in the flavors. Finely chop 1 onion and mix it in along with a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper and a teaspoon of allspice. Knead this mixture until everything is well combined. Here's the fun part. Shape the mixture into small footballs or patties. To cook, you can deep fry them until golden and crispy, bake them in the oven, or even enjoy them raw if you're feeling adventurous. Serve with a squeeze of lemon and a side of fresh mint. There you have it, delicious homemade kibbe that's sure to impress. Give it a try and bring a taste of Lebanon to your table. Bon appétit!
Our special focus is on Middle Eastern cuisine, perfect for busy professionals who want to cook at home but crave restaurant-quality taste. With our easy-to-follow recipes and accessible ingredients, you'll be whipping up delicious meals in no time. Join us and elevate your home cooking game.
Welcome to Afsan Farm Media Production, an oasis of tranquility nestled in the heart of California. Our farm is not just a production center, it's a sanctuary where we craft healthy and easy-to-cook meals using the freshest natural ingredients from our farm kitchen. Our mission is simple but powerful: to bring peace of mind to individuals weary of the demands of bustling city life.